Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of chicken nuggets. It's an easy to make snack and tastes awesome. If you like this recipe, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
So we'll start with mincing the chicken. So here I've taken 350 gram boneless chicken. I usually prefer taking the thigh part than the breast part. Now 4 to 5 green chillies or as per your taste. 2 teaspoon garlic paste or crushed garlic or whole garlic. 1/4 cup fresh coriander. 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper or kaali mirch. 1 egg. Add juice from 1 medium-sized lemon. Some salt as per taste. Now grind this chicken to a paste. So I did not continuously run the mixture. I used my pulse mode because the chicken gets ground very quickly. So make sure you do not overdo it. Now for the coating, take 3 tablespoon maida and 3 tablespoon cornflour. Add some chili flakes, half teaspoon crushed black pepper or kaali mirch, some salt. Mix this well. And here I've taken 1 egg. I'm just mixing the yolk and the white together. So now everything is ready. Grease your hand with some oil and take a small portion of the chicken. Now you need to give this a shape. I'm giving it chicken nugget shape similar to what we get in the market. So you just need to elongate it, press it from the sides like this. And then put it in the flour mixture. Similarly, I'm creating one more. So we are going to first put it in the flour mixture, then egg, and then in the breadcrumbs. So make sure you remove the excess flour. Now coat the chicken nugget with egg. Now put these in the breadcrumbs. You can use one hand for the wet mixture and one hand for the dry mixture, or you can use spoon and fork the way I'm doing. So while you're applying the breadcrumbs to the chicken nuggets, make sure you again give it its shape if the chicken nuggets start to lose their shape. And the same way, make all the chicken nuggets ready. So these chicken nuggets are now ready. I'm going to refrigerate these for 15 to 20 minutes and then we're going to deep fry these. So here I've heated some oil. Now drop a few pieces of chicken nuggets in the oil. The flame should be medium. Shouldn't be too high, shouldn't be too low. So at medium flame, fry these till these become golden in color. And by that time, these will be completely done from the inside. I mean completely cooked. So these chicken nuggets are now ready. Same way, fry rest of the chicken nuggets. The foam which you see in the oil is because of the eggs. So it's not because the temperature of the oil is low, but because we've used egg in the coating, it's getting foamy. So the same way, fry rest of the chicken nuggets. So you have fried all the chicken nuggets. These have come out wonderful. I'll break one open and show you. Amazing, and these taste delicious with mayo or tomato ketchup. Try this recipe at home and enjoy!